I built an AI workflow that helps me scrape Facebook ads library and spits out all the scripts from your competitors into a Google worksheet. And you can do this in just a couple of minutes. So let's get right into it. The tool that I'm using is called Gumloop. So Gumloop is like Zapier or Make, but for AI specific use cases. And what you want to do is you'll want to create a node firstly. So you'll want to grab the Facebook ad library scraper node, and here it'll ask you for a couple of things. So for example, what's the profile URL? So I just chose Jones Road Beauty, and then it asked for the media type. So I want to only grab the videos, and it asks for the platform. So I'll grab it from all platforms, and then also, what are the how many ads would you like to pull? So you can actually pull quite a bit. Defaults to 10, and actually minimum is 10. You can pull 100 and have it all filled out in the sheet. And then what you want to do is you want to add in the ad media URL from here. So after you do that, you'll ask Gumloop to take the ad media URLs. So basically those are just URLs to the videos, and ask it to turn it from speech to text. And it's using the model OpenAI Whisper. So it's using OpenAI basically to take the transcript and turn it into text. And once it's done, we ask it to fill it into the Google Sheet here. So using this Google Sheets writer node, and we ask for what the ad media URL is, and then here's the transcript in the script section, and this is in this JRB scripts Google Sheet. And it is important to make sure that you're adding a new row for every new video. And then once you're ready to go, you just press run, and you can see here this was run already. So it took about 76 seconds to scrape the Facebook ad library, about 24 seconds to scrape or to go from speech to text, and then just 1 second for Gumloop to fill it in this research sheet here. So all in all, it took 102 seconds, 221 credits, which Gumloop has a plan that's for free, up to 1,000 credits. And then after that, I think it's $97 for 30,000 credits. So, you can do quite a bit of research here with the amount of credits that it uses. So this is the results here. So you can see there's the link to the video ad and then the script. So right away, what you can do is you can start to take these into ChatGPT and ask it to come up with some variations for your brand specifically. Or if you're looking through it, you can see there's 4 videos that says TikTok is ditching concealer for this cult favorite face pencil. So you can see that if they're creating multiple of the same hook, then this hook might work really well. So what can I say about my specific brand? And change out some of these products here. So TikTok is ditching X, which is your competitor's product, for my product. So now you have new hooks that you can test. So right now, there's only 10, but imagine if you pulled 100 of those, and then imagine if you went and took a look at all of your competitors as well, right? So compile them all in here, and then there's a lot more that you can do. So either you can add additional nodes here down below to ask AI to analyze everything, or you can just take this sheet, dump it into ChatGPT or whichever AI tool you're using, and ask it, what are my competitors doing that I'm not doing? What are some things that they're doing with scripts that I'm not doing? So really good insights here once you have the data. But yeah, that was just a quick video on how you can use Gumloop to scrape all of this. If you need help with setting all this stuff up, I'm always around. Just let me know, drop a comment down below, and I think I can share this sheet with you If you have any questions, just let me know. But yeah, that's it for today.